usual, today we're going to do another look. It's a look. Now I got Jeff to pick out what I'm going to be wearing, so buckle up and come with me and we'll see what happens. So, to start off with, I've already done the bits with my face. I have a brush here, yes you, to do the foundation. Now what I'm using is the Maybelline, I can't get that right, Maybelline Dream Satin BB cream. So I told him, sit in my chair, turn around. I have two baskets there, one is eyeshadows and the other one is makeup. So pick out what you think. I had to tell him what I used, as in, okay, now I need a foundation, I need an eyeshadow palette, I need blush, the whole thing. I had to tell him. And he said, well, I don't know what to pick. I said, I'll just tell you what I need and you pick it out. But any look you do looks good. Thanks very much, but that's not the whole thing. The whole idea of this is for you to pick it. So, this look is what we've got. Okay, now eyes, I'm going to prime with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I should have got a brush for this, but I didn't. Fingers are good. It sort of has a gloss all by itself. Quite nice. Quite right. Wipe my finger. Now the palette, this is the palette that he picked. It's my Sephora palette. And I said, well, okay, so what colour? He chose this one. Yep, this one. So all my looks, well, the eyeshadows that I use have got to be around that one. So sit back and enjoy as I go along. I'll pick up the right brush in a minute. You'll do. As I do the look. So all over the lid, I'm going to use this brush. I am going to use, because he picked that, it's an orangey colour. I will pick this one here in the middle. Now, using the same brush, I am going to use the one that he picked, which is this one. Sorry, this one here. And I'm just going to line the socket with it. Just gently. Line the socket, not up there. Never mind. The other one. If I could see it would be good. You got that one right and didn't get that one right. Okay, now in the outer corner, I'm going to do something entirely different. This one, oops, this one. gonna have to teach myself to be ambidextrous. Okay, now I need a different brush. Now I need you to do the inside one, I think. That's a bullet. Oh, for goodness sake, pick one. This one. And on the inside, I'm going to use this one here. Sorry, if I held it properly, you'd be able to see. This one here. Go back in with that other one. The first one, no, the second one. The one Jeffrey chose. Just this one. They do have names, I will have them listed underneath. Do they have names? Maybe not. So how do we think? How do we think? We think with our brains. Yes, I know. Okay. Next step, mascara. Don't worry about anything underneath. Any fallouts. Make sure I get it. Okay. This is my L'Oreal Million Lashes, Volume Million Lashes. Brain doesn't work today. Eyebrows is the Makeup Revolution. Where is it? Under eye cleanup. Oh, this is the Maybelline 24 concealer. Sorry. Blush. Is Clinique. Excuse me. Next, lipstick. This is the Rimmel Exaggerate pencil. Yep. In lipstick is Revlon Colorstay Ultimate Liquid Lip in Stellar Sunrise. I finally remembered. This is the one that stays on. And by that I mean it doesn't transfer to coffee cups. Okay, now that's that. Now for a final step today, I'm going to use a setting spray, and this is one that Wayne Goss recommended many years ago. And I'll have it linked below. Skin. Never mind. I'll have, there's the word. And here we go. Hold the hair back. And there we go. That's the look. Shall we have a close up at the eyes? Of course we will. There we have it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. Click on the bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. There we have it. Thank you. Beautiful.